You should really look at the culture of where you're going to work. Everybody's so focused on, do they do this or do they do that? I'm skilled in this, I'm skilled in that. You're talented. You're going to be able to go to a lot of different places. And the place that's going to be best for you is one that has a culture that really works for you.
My name is Dr. Jacob Schalk. Nothing will wake you up like 53-degree water and some waves crashing on your head. I like to have kind of a solitary morning, keep to myself. Other people have coffee or workout or whatever. I've got surfing.
My name is Manny Garcia. I drag race motorcycles. I'm currently building a 1,000 horsepower turbo Hayabusa. So I actually use lasers to align the axles.
Hi, I'm Ellie. I've been baking since I was a little kid. There's just something therapeutic about just like slicing the apples that will soon be going into the oven and coming out really delicious.
My name is Adeline Fotheringham. I have been doing for a while a martial art called Aikido. It's very much a vehicle for self-development of you with yourself and you with other people.
DRS Daylight is very committed to the culture of the company, a culture of serving others, of trust, and of camaraderie. And we don't just put it into words, we really try to put it into action. As a result, people are very collaborative, very friendly, very enjoyable.
It certainly makes for a more fun environment, when all your colleagues are interested in and have different interests in life. We are a, mostly engineering and manufacturing company. We enable what's next in different fields with ever more refined and advanced technology.
All the solutions we put together, hardware products, have lasers in them.
This is truly cutting-edge stuff.
There's so many different people and from so many different walks of lives, but you don't feel out of place at all. You feel like this is where you can still be yourself and thrive.
It's a welcoming environment, feels close-knit, feels supportive.
We all have a common goal, and that camaraderie for the betterment of the projects and the processes that we're working on, it's just daily. What I did in the military was I did weapon systems. It was all offensive. The only way I would use that same military skill set if it was for saving lives. The one and only reason why I chose Daylight Solutions is because they protect with light. What really rings true here at Daylight is this family culture. They're really employee-centric. I've had people show up at my races. I've had people show up at my shows, and I turn and look like, oh, wow, it's great to see you.
Being able to talk to people of different backgrounds, of different levels, to accomplish something together and for mutual growth that carries both on the mat where I train Aikido and certainly at work when you interact with all kinds of people.
Being able to work while still having fun, it can be really rare. I really highly recommend coming here to work.
There's a lot of engineers and technicians and assemblers working together on prototypes and next generation products. Anybody who comes here has a chance to really be on the cutting edge.